Hi, I'm Sam. I'm an AS vegetable judge, and as our summer draws to a close, I want to talk a little bit about fall planting, what you could do, what plants you could use, and what's going to work well as temperatures get cooler, days get shorter, and some of our more colorful annuals just start to fade naturally as they do. A couple of good plants for fall, generally speaking. Ornamental peppers, great as fall plants. Since the pepper is what we're after, the color on the pepper will hold for a very long time as temperatures start to get cool. Ornamental grasses are great. Again, you don't need a flower there. It's the foliage color, it's that texture. This little kind of bronzy colored grass is a great fall color mixed with the yellow and the orange of the pepper. One of the questions that we always get asked is, are ornamental peppers edible? And while you can't eat them, they don't usually taste very good. I mean, this one's okay. They're usually really hot for no apparent reason, so while they are edible, they're not really grown for that purpose. While you can eat them, really it's the attractive color and the longevity that the peppers hang on the plant is what you're looking for. So as you go into fall, look for plants, foliage plants, ornamental peppers, things like that that don't require that flower, that'll hold on for a really long time throughout the fall season and give a nice coloring and those fall tones all the way through Thanksgiving.